I think the truck was complaining.
It always does. Don't mean it gets anything.
Alright, we made it up to the secret hunting spot for me to... Barry and Brian is setting up deer feed. And I want to do some plein air painting. I'm looking around to see what we have. Alright, we're all set up. Get ready to do some drawing. Deer feed are here. Using Van Dyke Brown and a little mixture of Gamsol to loosen up the Van Dyke Brown. Probably some trees coming up and off of it. Eventually we're gonna get this tree in. Take it up. There's fence a little bit. Down into the woods. And a tree here. There was a lot of trees in the forest, so I had to decide on how many I was going to put in. I was using titanium white, teal, green, and cobalt blue. Rub it out with a paper towel with Gamsol on it. Areas I want highlights, and then putting in just the highlights with the cadmium yellow medium. Coming in and adding the trees in with raw sienna and raw umber. Colors I used to put the forest in was sap green, cobalt green, some phthalo green. Other colors I used for highlights on the trees was the Nepal yellow and yellow ochre. Here's what we got so far. I'm trying to push the colors of the green back to make distance, but I want it to be dark because when you look back in the tree, now here's the deer feeder, which I have here, and I want to imply some trees. What I'm really liking is like how the branches are lit here, which I'm trying to bring in through here. But here's what we've got, and of course without the truck, there's the scene. I used a small fan brush to put in leaves. Headed back to the studio. We're gonna finish up. And there's our little spot. But shh, don't tell nobody. Okay, we're back in the studio. We're gonna finish up and we're gonna add the deer and raccoon family. Should finish this little plein air painting up. Alright, we put in our little family of raccoons and our little deer from pictures from our trail camera. Alright, let's check in on our progress. I'm gonna live with the painting for a little bit. Some of the changes I see is that it needs to be darker and have more shadows. I might go in this green area is a little too green, where our little family of raccoons are, and straighten him up. So there's a little difference. Overall, I kind of like how the paintings turned out. I had a good time up here plein air painting with the family, and I got to visit my papa. Here's Papa explaining his ticket, his first ticket he got at 90 years old.
I was getting the electric car, and should have had my butt kicked between my shoulders. See, I don't like to drive after night. So I was going to Hardee's too early. I turned left right in front of the bus.
I was telling Brian about that on the way up.
Huh?
Yeah, I was telling Brian about your Lexus. You got that ticket in. You got that ticket going 90 miles an hour.
Ticket?
Yeah, you got that speeding ticket?
Yeah, I got a speeding ticket somewhere. You know what I done? Went down to pay it. They couldn't find the ticket, and I paid it anyway. I know the man that worked there in the office, so he tore both of them out, you see. Had to get rid of it. So he tore it out and pulled it away. And I told him that, and I said, I went down and paid that ticket, but they couldn't find it. He said, well, you shouldn't have done that. I done took it out and pulled it away. You didn't have to pay it.
Decided to title this painting The Secret Hunting Spot, and I hope you all enjoyed this video, and don't forget to come back and see me, and as always, keep painting.